That's crazy. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
I had that sitting there so the seat wouldn't be so hot. But...
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. So what is your name and what's in here, ma'am?
You can open that.
We'll try it first while it's a little quieter.
Okay.
Go for it.
So I got 4 Sundown UV2s, 12s back there, and a custom Gately box on a Salt Sundown 8K.
Whoa.
Got 270 amp hour of lithium in here.
Okay.
LiPo 4.
That is pretty fancy. You actually can fit that box in there? Slid in?
Yeah, well you gotta put the 2 in the back in first and then mount the other 2 once you slide it in. Yeah, because it's heavy.
Tight fit. Yeah, I'm sure that is heavy. Wow. I bet you this does good on the meter. How loud did you get on it?
So a 153 on the glass and a 154 in the kick.
That's good. You happy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And you have no windshield issues.
Yeah, I've gotten louder since the last time I seen you.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't heard. I think it's been about 2 years since I've heard it. Nice. What random question? What made you put the box and port this way versus something else? It sounds better. Okay. Got it. All the pressure comes in here, and you're able to have your back seats if you need it, but I'm sure it's way louder with the seats up.
It's louder if I have them sitting the way they're sitting. If I push them down or take them out, I lose.
Got it. Okay. Awesome. Looks good. Last question is, what is the box tuned to and size of the box?
Okay, so the box is tuned to 36, and it's a 7 cubic foot.
Okay. Oh, perfect for the subs. All right. What did you do different?
Well, I mean, I don't remember what I saw 8K in here last time.
No, you had a lower power in it. Oh, more power too? Okay.
And I changed to the UV212.
Oh, okay, more about motor force.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow, awesome. That's crazy. With the trunk open, it's louder.
Oh, yeah.
So if you have that shut, it's not as loud?
Yeah, I would.
Wow, okay.
And my car likes it open.
Awesome. Yeah, I would love to hear it. You said it's better with the door open?
Yes.
Okay. It lets it breathe. That's crazy. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you for showing me. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop